Hey everyone, welcome back to Mr. Holland's Classroom, where today we're going to be reading a story called Pigs Make Me Sneeze. Now this of course was made by the Mo Willems, so I hope you guys enjoy. This is from Hyperion Books and Company. Pigs Make Me Sneeze. Gerald! What do you want to do today? I want yes. A what? A ball? A swim? A hat? Achoo! Are you okay? I don't know. Achoo! I can't stop sneezing. Achoo! Sneezing. Oh no! What if pigs make me sneeze? Achoo! What if you try to sneeze more softly? Sorry. But if pigs do make me sneeze, then I cannot be near you. Then we cannot be friends. Then we must be apart forever. But Gerald, no, do not speak. It is too late. Choo. Goodbye. Gerald. Huh? Are you okay, Gerald? No, I am not okay, Dr. Cat. Pigs make me sneeze! And Pig is a pig. Piggy is my best friend. Got you! Great. Now cats make me sneeze. I do not think pigs make you sneeze. I do not think cats make you sneeze. I think you have a cold. A cold? You are sick. I'm sick! Oh, thank you, doctor. Piggy! Great news! I have a cold! Good for you. The end. I hope you all like that story, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye, everybody.